Hello guys and welcome back to the show. So in the last video we saw how to create a custom user model in Django, but we didn't actually use the user model to create anything. So in this tutorial what we're going to do is to use the user model to create a registration page that will allow a user to sign up to our website, and then later on we will look at how to log in and log out from our website. Just a recap of what we did the last time. We created a custom user model and added an age field to the user model. We created a form and we said that the form or the user creation form should have a username, email, age, password 1 and password 2. So now what I'm going to do is to create a sign up form or a sign up page or registration page, whatever you want to call it, with the custom user model that I've created, which will have a username, email, age, password 1, and password 2. To do this, I'll be using the class-based view provided in Django. So what we'll say is that from Django dot views dot generic import, I need the create view because I would like to create an object. If I hover on this, it says view for creating a new object with a response rendered by template. I'll come over here and I'll say class sign up view, which will inherit from the create view class, which is a class-based view provided by Django. I'll import this model, this custom user, and then use it inside of the application. So from user, the model import, and I would like to import the custom user like so. Now that I have the custom user, what I'll do is to say that model is the custom user. Now, I need to give it a form class because the sign up page will be a form that the user has to fill in. If you remember, in the last video, we made a user creation form. So I'll have to import this user creation form into my view page. So I'll say that from users.views import user creation form like so. Then I can say that my form class will be the user creation form, and then when the user logs in or when a user registers, I want the user to be redirected to a page. So I can say that success URL. For now, I'll not put in anything. And then I need to give it a template, okay? I need to give it a template name, which I'll also leave it for now. So I'll go ahead and inside of my templates directory, what I'm going to do is that I'll create a directory called users to mark that this is the user app, and this template over here is used for the user app. This is how I like to personally structure my templates in Django applications. So in there, what I'm going to do is to create another directory called account, and inside of this directory, I'll have the signup.html, and I'll go ahead and create another one called login.html. So now when the user goes to the root for the sign up form or the sign up page, which I haven't yet created, I would like this template to be shown to the user. So I'll go ahead and say that I would like you to go to users/account/signup.html like so. Inside of the signup.html, I will extend the base template. So extends this base.html, okay? Base.html. And if you want to know what this base.html is, you can go back to the videos prior to this video and you can know what this base.html is. Then I'll have my block content, then I'll say end block content. And for now, just to test if everything is working, I'll have a div which says sign up page like so. Now, inside of the users, what I need to do is to create a urls.py file which will have the root to the sign up page. So I'll go ahead and then inside of the users, I'll create a urls.py file like so. And inside of the urls.py file, what I'm going to do is to say that from Django.urls import, I need to import path. Then I'll create a URLs patterns. I will just come to my urls.py, copy this, and then place that here, which will be a list, an empty list. So if I say path, sign up, the route to the sign up page, what I want the user to see is the sign up page, is the sign up form. So what I would say is that from users import views, then I'll go ahead and say views dot sign up view dot as view, like so, and I'll give it a name, and the name will be sign up. Okay, now if I go to the main application, so if I go to my site and I go to the URLs, I do not have anything for the users. So what I'm going to do is that I will say path. If anyone goes to slash account, what I would like you to include is the users dot URLs, this URL. So I'm saying that if anyone goes to account slash something, I want you to handle everything to the users.urls. If I test this now, so let's see if everything is working properly. I can say python manage.py run server. So it's not users.views, it's users.form, as you can see over here. So what I can do is just change this to form, and everything should be fine now. Okay, as you can see, everything is working properly now. If I do account sign up, like so. Okay, so we know that everything has been set up and everything is working properly. So what I now need to do is to render the sign up form. I will come back here, and as you know, the form will be automatically passed to this template. So if I go to templates, sign up.html file, what I can do is to create a form like so. And as you know, it needs a CSRF token, and this has to be inside of this. And lastly, I need to show the form. So I can say form dot as p, like so. Then the last thing I need is input of type submit. So, and the value is sign up. So now if I go to the sign up page in the browser, I hit enter, you should see that I'm using the sign up page now. As you can see, the custom user model that I created is not being used. It's still using the default Django user model. So I need to check what is going on so that I can fix it. Let me find out why the custom user creation form, this is not being used inside of the application. So after looking around, as you can see over here, I realized that I'm using something called meet and not meta, which is wrong. Like if I have to go inside of this, you can see that I've got a meta and not meet. So what I need to do is to change this, close this, go back to the forms inside here and change this to meta, like so. And now everything should be fine. Turn off the server, start the server again, refresh the page, and as you can see, I've got username, email, age, password, and password confirmation. So this is how you create a sign up page or registration page in Django. Now, in the next video, what I'm going to show you is to create a login page. We will see how to use the success URL field inside of the sign up view. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.